makasakay sa bus, kinakailangan complete muna yung requirements mo. So, ano yung mga requirements? Una, dapat kapag tourist ka, fully vaccinated ka. So, dapat may first and second dose ka na. And papakita mo sa kanila yung vaccine card mo. And second is dapat meron ka ng QTP generated via Visita Baguio. So, how will you create that? Please watch this video para magkaroon kayo ng guide kung paano mag-create ng QTP in Visita Baguio.
Planning to visit Baguio soon? Make it safe, sure, and responsible. Register your visit through the Baguio Visita, Baguio City's online visitors registration system. This is how it works. Open the website with URL visita.baguio.gov.ph. Go to the login menu or tap Schedule a Visit. To create a new account, tap Create an Account and fill out basic sign-up personal details, including a personally created password. After signing up, you will be redirected to the account registration page, where you'll need to enter required personal information and upload a valid ID and your current photo. Review your personal information details. Confirm, then save. As part of our adherence to the Data Privacy Act of 2012, we commit to protect all personal information and request for a declaration consent and agreement. After agreeing, you will receive a notice to wait for confirmation. Through your declared email address, you will receive a confirmation email for the created account and will need to log in again as verification. Once logged in, you will be directed to your personal dashboard and may now start to schedule a visit. Choose mode of travel, purpose of travel, and points of interests. Then choose your travel dates and select your mode of stay and details of your accommodation or host in Baguio. Select from DOT accredited tour and travel agents from the drop-down list. Confirm summary of travel details and proceed to health declaration form. This form will serve as a universal electronic health declaration form for all places to visit in Baguio, so you don't have to fill out forms and avoid paper and pen transactions. You will receive in your email confirmation of your request. Once approved, you will receive another email containing the link to your QR-coded Tourist Pass, or QTP. Download your QTP, then save or print. Always keep your QTP handy during the travel, as this will serve as your electronic ID in all border checkpoints and establishments that you will visit, serving as a contact tracing mechanism and electronic health declaration. At the Triage, your QTP will provide access to the triage officers of your health condition and exposure history as declared. They will process accordingly after verification. At the hotel, your QTP will provide hotel staff of your status and basic information. They will know if you have undergone triage and therefore proceed to check you in electronically. In all establishments and tour sites in Baguio, your QTP will allow them to check you in upon entry and check out upon exit.
So there you go guys, ganun yung pag-create ng QTP via Visita Baguio. So in our case, 7 kaming people na pupunta ng Baguio. In-expect na namin na during December is may hirapan kami mag-generate na ng QTP. That's why we accomplished the QTP noong November pa lang, mga second week ng November pa lang. So yan, medyo mas early, syempre mas maganda. And then, yun, meron ka ng QTP, meron ka na fully vaccinated ka na. Ang next thing is, syempre kapag wala kang sasakyan, diba, or mga tinatamad mag-drive, or ayaw mapagod mag-drive, ganyan, hassle dahil traffic, or mataas syempre yung gas ngayon mo. So, ang next option ng mga taga Manila is mag-commute. So, we have 2 options na bus papunta ng Baguio. First, yung Genesis. So, ito, yung schedule ng Genesis. Ilalagay ko na lang dito, pati yung price ng bus nila, yung bus fare nila. And ito naman, yung schedule ng Victory Liner. And then yung price naman din, price list din ng bus fare nila. So, in our case, kasi kaya kami Victory Liner kasi punuan na yung Joy Bus. Medyo na-late naman ako sa pag-purchase. Nag-advance purchase din pala kami ng ticket. Lahat advance para naman hassle-free na tayo. So, ready na tayo ng Baguio!
A few moments later.
So, touchdown Baguio. Our last step para makapasok at makapasyal talaga sa Baguio is yung Triage. So, yung Victory Liner, may sarili silang Triage. Hindi na tayo sasama dun sa mga private cars sa ibang bus companies na kung saan ipapakita yung mga documents para makapasok sa Baguio. So, tara, mag-triage na muna tayo. Almost 5 hours na biyahe, no? So, umalis kami doon ng 7:30, yung bus ng Victory Liner, and dumating kami sa terminal ng Victory Liner ng around 12:30. So, almost 5 hours din yung binahe namin. So, guys, pakita ko lang din muna sa inyo yung aming pinag-i-stayan dito. Nakuha ko siya sa Airbnb. Pangalan ng pinag-i-stayan namin is Bonbel Condominium. Napakaganda niya and malapit lang siya sa mga attractions. Actually, sabi nga nung may-ari ng Airbnb na to is walking distance lang dito yung Christmas Village. Diba? Napakaganda. Walking distance lang siya and hindi tayo mahihirapan sa mga pupuntahan natin dito sa Baguio City. So, ikutin muna natin kung ano yung itsura nung ating Airbnb na pag-i-stay dito sa Baguio City. kasimple at hassle-free na pumunta dito ngayon sa Baguio City. Basta susundin lang talaga natin yung government-mandated na step-by-step process ng papunta dito na mandated ng government ng Baguio. So ano ba yung kailangan? Siyempre yung una, 'di ba? Yung pinakita kaninang video yung pag-generate ng QTP. So guys, I suggest and I advise you na dapat ang pag-generate ng QTP is 2 to 3 weeks before nung gusto nyong date ng pagpunta dito. Kasi most probably, baka mamaya hindi nyo mabook yung gusto nyong date ng pagpunta dito kapag ka 2 to 3 days lang. So 2 to 3 weeks I suggest. Ngayon kasing December is punuan na yung slot ng pagpunta dito sa Baguio. And every day, they only allow 2,000 tourists na makapasok dito sa Baguio. And luckily ako, dahil nga maaga akong nakapagpabook 2 to 3 weeks before ng pagpunta namin dito na date, nakakuha ko ng QTP schedule. So ayun, sana kayo guys, ganun din yung gawin nyo moving forward. Kasi this December, good luck kung may makukuha pa kayo. I'm sure mga January na yan. So kung may plano kayo pumunta ng January, gawin nyo na as soon as you watch this video. Or as soon as you can, okay? And second, dapat mas maganda rin talaga kung magko-commute kayo, kung magbabus kayo, is bumili na kayo ng ticket ahead of time. Kasi mas maganda na mas early yung makuha yung ticket, lalo pa ngayon na may mga bus na pwedeng pumasok dito sa Baguio. Marami na rin turista talaga na bibili ng mga ticket. So kung gusto nyo makuha yung oras or earliest time ng pagpunta dito, is bumili kayo ng ahead of time. Ako din, ganun din yung ginawa ko. Bumili ako ng ticket namin in advance para less hassle na nga. Diba? Gusto natin yung travel natin is less hassle, worry-free, mga ganyan. And yung pagbalik naman, walang problema kasi kanina, nung pagdating namin dito, bumili na rin ako nung ticket namin pabalik. And wala namang hiningin na mga vaccination card or QTP, basta pera lang. So yun, pabalik. Kailangan may budget ka, no? Pabalik, baka mamaya ang budget mo hanggang dito na lang, paano ka makaka-uwi? Nakakaloka ka. Diba? So, ayun. Yung pagpunta lang talaga yung kailangan ng may mga requirements such as yung QTP and yung vaccination card. So, dapat fully vaccinated ka. So, in case na first dose ka pa lang, ang nire-require ni Baguio is magpapa-RT-PCR test ka.
Oh, no!
So, and, guys, nasa pandemic pa din tayo, so dapat maging responsible tourist tayo. Always wear your face mask and always sanitize. So, I will end this vlog na muna, guys. So, I hope you learn a lot from this vlog and I'll see you on my next vlog. Please do share this vlog if you like it. Bye! See you in my next vlog!